Ciao a tutti! We're making basil pesto stuffed tomatoes today, so grab your ingredients listed here. Use fresh basil whenever possible. Here we're starting with 1 large clove of garlic. Pulse it just a little bit. Now add that beautiful, fresh, vibrant green basil leaves. Now don't over-pulse this. You want it to be somewhat chunky. Then take a rubber spatula and scrape down the sides of your bowl. If you need to, pulse it a little bit more. And now add the pine nuts. These are so delicious. Now pulse it again. And then again, scrape the sides of the bowl. Pulse again, and now add the Parmigiano cheese. This is so excellent. Add your salt and pulse it a few times again. Now add that delicious extra virgin olive oil. Pulse it again. Oh, it's coming together beautifully. Scrape the sides of the bowl continually so you get everything blended nicely. Continue to pulse if you need it, and then continue to scrape. Then take a little bit and take a taste. What does it need? In this particular batch, I needed some more Parmigiano. Then I needed to add some more olive oil too. Pulse to mix it again. Scrape the sides of the bowl again. Now take another taste. Perfetto. Perfect. So now pour the pesto in a small bowl. It's just gorgeous. Bellissimo. Now get your cherry tomatoes and we're going to get ready to stuff them. Start by slicing off the top of each tomato, then scoop out the inner pulp and the seeds. Then you want to turn your tomatoes upside down on the baking rack so that they drain nicely. Continue to do this until all of your cherry tomatoes are hollowed out and ready to stuff with the fresh basil that you just made. Once you have them all hollowed out, set them nicely upside down and drain them for about 15 minutes. Now take a small spoon and scoop into the pesto and carefully fill each one of the cherry tomatoes. You might want to make a nice little mound. If you have kids, this is a fun thing to do with them in the kitchen. Or put on some great Italian music and have a nice glass of wine. This is such a fast antipasto to make. You're almost done. Arrange them on a pretty little plate. I purchased this in Positano when I visited with my mother. And garnish with some fresh basil leaves and sprinkle it with some Parmigiano. Buon Appetito! Thanks for watching. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Ciao, ciao!